If your truck feels like it is driving over a rumble strip while you are cruising at a steady speed, your 8-speed transmission has a fluid problem that requires a specific flush to fix. That shaking sensation you feel between 40 and 60 miles per hour under light throttle is caused by the torque converter clutch failing to stay locked. This mechanical defect affects 2015 through 2019 Chevrolet Silverado, Colorado, and GMC Sierra trucks equipped with either the 8L90 or the 8L45 automatic transmissions. The root cause is the original factory transmission fluid because it is highly hygroscopic, which means it actively absorbs moisture from the air over time. This water contamination destroys the friction modifiers in the oil and causes the clutch to grab and release hundreds of times every minute instead of holding a smooth connection. You will notice the vibration peaks when your engine management system switches into 4-cylinder mode, because that transition creates extra engine harmonics that the degraded fluid cannot absorb. Some drivers try to hide the symptom by using a plug-in device to keep the truck in 8-cylinder mode at all times. But that does not fix the bad fluid that is currently eating away at your clutch material. To repair this correctly, you must follow the steps in Technical Service Bulletin 18-November Alpha-355. First, you must take the vehicle to a shop that has a commercial heated transmission fluid exchange machine connected directly to the cooler lines. Second, have the technician perform a high-volume flush using exactly 20 quarts of the new Mobil 1 synthetic low-viscosity high-performance automatic transmission fluid, which is easily identified by its blue label. Third, your technician must manually cycle the transmission through every gear during the flush process to ensure 100% of the old contaminated oil is pushed out of the torque converter and the valve body. Do not let a shop perform a simple pan drop and filter change, because that method leaves several quarts of old moisture-filled fluid trapped inside the converter, which will immediately ruin your new oil. You should also avoid spending money on road force balancing your tires or replacing drive shaft universal joints until this fluid exchange is done, as those parts are the most common misdiagnoses for this internal hydraulic fault. If you continue to drive with this shudder, the constant metal-on-metal slipping will eventually wear the friction material off the clutch plate entirely. Once that material is gone, a fluid flush will no longer work, and you will be forced to pay for a full torque converter replacement or a complete transmission rebuild. Most owners find that a complete exchange with the correct blue label synthetic oil stops the vibration within just a few miles of driving. This is a known issue where the fluid itself is the reason for the mechanical failure. Make sure your mechanic uses the exact Mobil 1 product specified in the service bulletin to prevent the moisture issues from coming back in the future. If your truck shudders under light throttle, check your service records for a blue label fluid flush today. You should check your transmission fluid color and smell if the vibration happens every time you reach 50 miles per hour.